Good morning, children. Children, this year 21st June was a very significant day. It was observed not only as the World Yoga Day, but people also experienced a rare celestial phenomenon in the form of solar eclipse. Children, did you take part in Yoga Day? As you know, yoga is an Indian way of maintaining both physical and mental health. It enhances our concentration level and releases stress. I advise you to practice it regularly. It will benefit you a lot. Now children, let's get back to today's topic. Do you remember what did we learn in our previous class? I talked to you about simple present tense positive statements. Okay, how to frame positive statements in simple present tense. Today we are going to talk about negative statements. Okay, simple present tense negative statements. Now look at these sentences here. I read a lot of storybooks. He reads a lot of storybooks. As you all know, these all are positive statements. Okay, and in the verb is in V1 form. Okay, simple present tense. You can see here subject plus V1 form I'm using here. Subject plus V1S form I'm using here. So these things already you have learned. These are all positive statements. Now children, how will you make these sentences negative? Alright, so when the word negative comes, then the word not comes, not negation comes to our mind. Alright, so when you have to make a sentence negative, the negation not, we have to take help of negation not. Alright, now when the main verb is used to it, a helping verb or an auxiliary verb, okay, then we can directly use not with the helping verb. For example, I shall go to school, then I can say I shall not go to school. I have just added not with shall. But in this case, when we have only the main verb without the helping verb, then can you add not like this? I read not a lot of storybooks. He not reads a lot of storybooks. You cannot. Okay, so these will be the wrong sentences. Okay, I cannot simply add not with the main verb. What do I have to do then? We have to take help of do and does. As you all know, do and does are also helping verbs or auxiliary verb. Okay, so they are going to help us to make the sentence negative. Alright, so with do and does, we have to add the negation not. Okay, do not and does not. For example, the same sentences, I do not read a lot of storybooks. He does not read a lot of storybooks. These will be the correct sentences, negative sentences. Okay, now children, why have I used here do and why here does? And why have I omitted as from read? Okay, I have omitted as from read when I am making it negative. Let's learn about the rules of making the negatives. Okay? So look at these things. In case of plural subject, what happened? Okay, how to make it negative. We use do not plus V1 with I, we, you, they and all plural subjects. Okay, so remember this formula. Do not plus V1 in case of this pronoun and all plural subjects. Now look at these examples. Good students don't make noise in the class. Now what is the subject here? Good students is the subject and good student is a plural subject. Okay, students, plural. Okay, so in case of plural subject, we have to use do not. Okay, the short form I'm using here, short form is don't. Okay, do not short form is don't and V1 form of make is make. Okay, so don't make noise in the class. I don't like fruits. Subject I, first person. So here also do not plus V1 form of like is like. Okay, the main verb. So don't like fruits. You don't do your work sincerely. You, second person. Here also do not and here do is the V1 form of do verb. Okay, so don't do your work sincerely. They, plural subject, they, more than one. So they don't V1 form of play every day. Alright? We don't wake up early on Sunday. We is the plural first person. Okay? So here also do not wake up V1 form. Is it clear to you? We don't wake up early on Sunday. Next, let's talk about singular subject. What happens in case of singular subject? We use does not plus V1 with he, she, it and all other singular subjects. Okay? Does not plus V1. Look at this example. He doesn't watch television too much. So he is the third person singular, one person. Okay? So here I'm using does not. Short form of does not is doesn't. Okay? So doesn't and only V1 form. Watch. Okay? The root form of the verb. We can also say the root form of the verb, the basic form of the verb. No changes made with the verb. Okay? So doesn't watch television too much. She, again third person singular, so does not miss her class. Miss again is the V1 form. Okay? Without any change in the verb. It doesn't rain in October. It singular, so does not rain in October. The moon again singular third person, doesn't have. Alright? Doesn't have. Have is the V1 form. Okay? Its own light. My friend, I'm talking about one friend. So singular third person, doesn't reach. Reach is the V1 form. Alright? School in time. Is it clear to you, children? Now, here one point you have to remember always. Okay? Very important point. We never use V1 plus as or yes with does. Okay? So, look at this example. He does not respect his elders. Here, according to the rule, we are using does because he is the third person singular. So, he does not. Now, look at this verb. This is the verb respect, main verb respect. And here I am using as. Okay, as respects. Will it be a correct sentence? Respects his elders? No, this will be a wrong sentence. Alright, but here he does not respect his elders will be the correct sentence. Okay, so what is the rule here? When you use does, okay, when you use does, you cannot use as or yes with the main verb. You have to use V1 only. When you use the helping verb does to make the sentence negative, you have only to use V1 without as or yes. This is a very important point you have to remember. Suppose this is the sentence, he doesn't watch, okay, television. If I write he doesn't watches television, it will be a wrong, incorrect sentence. Okay, because I am using does here, and you can simply remember like this. Since we are using es with the do verb, so we cannot repeat es here. Alright, so you are using es here. We cannot say watches. You have to omit from here. Okay, in the positive statements, we say he watches television. But when you make it negative, you are taking help of does. So this es you have to remove from here. Similarly, she doesn't miss. If I write she doesn't misses, it will be the incorrect sentence. I have to remove es from here. It doesn't rain. If I say it doesn't rains, it will be wrong. The moon doesn't has, if I say, it will be wrong. My friend doesn't reaches will be the incorrect one. Okay, so remember this point. This is a very important point. Alright, so have you understood, children, today's lesson? So for today this much, and we'll meet since I am going to give you next some exercises to do. Okay, till then, bye bye.